Ready for Chiang Mai?
I haven't been to Chiang Mai for about 10 years. We'll see how it's changed. Flying on Vietjet seems like a little bit step up from Air Asia. Noi better. Noi better?
Noi better.
Yeah. Three Kings Monument. This is the downtown. Hello.
This is the exact center of downtown. If you look at a map, it looks like a square.
I think it's good.
I like it.
Yeah, it's a little different than Bangkok.
Yeah.
This wall marks the old town. There's a river Ping on the other side of that. There's a strange lack of sidewalks anywhere in most places in Chiang Mai. Makes it hard to get around. Sometimes there's sidewalks, sometimes there's not. Place was actually pretty good. Good quality food, and the price is a little expensive, but kind of the American taste. Kind of a mix between Thai style and Western style. I think that's why you see a lot of the digital nomads here in Chiang Mai. You see this one in Laos?
Yeah, like
What is it?
I don't know what it's called.
Restaurant. River Ping. Look interesting. Straw presso. This is my favorite style of restaurant. Nice and cool by the river. Good authentic Thai food. Quality over quantity. Interesting blend of espresso, syrup, and strawberry.
My food came about 10 minutes later. It's just one of those things that happens sometimes.
Mosque right here. That'll be pretty interesting at night. This all comes to life at night. Not much happening daytime. The bustling hive of commerce in the evening. These type of spirals are called chetties. Type of Buddhist monument.
Pretty much every sidewalk in Thailand is a bit of a jungle gym and adventure.
shopping malls are less popular in America, but they're only going up in Thailand. Let's try it out. Nothing's happening. Here we go. Experience at the beginning. This thing locks in your legs. You can't escape even if you want to. Massage prisoner. Can't get up. Help. How much time is left?
I don't know. It's like a
2 minutes?
yeah, 2:25.
Is it going down?
Yes.
That lasted a lot longer than I thought. Couldn't get out. Chinatown. Forget it, Jake. It's Chinatown. Big place. It's chock full of Chinese goods. Very big. Every corner of the floor, ceiling, walls, shelves, chock full of goods. What is it? What is it?
Sticky rice.
Sticky rice?
Yeah.
So it's having only place without some kind of cashew nut or sauce or spice is the floor. Creole. I don't know why, but a lot of people like these pajama bottoms. What are the tourists? Like this guy in orange has. I guess it's pajama party in Chiang Mai. Khao soy, the famous dish from Chiang Mai. It's kind of a curry dish. Bit of a seedy soy here, but looks nice. Famous khao soy. Really quite excellent. I would recommend this place. It's called Oriental Garden in Chiang Mai if you can find it. It's about 7 o'clock now, it's starting to get a little more lively. Goes on for blocks and blocks and kilometers and miles. Takes over pretty much all of downtown Chiang Mai. There's more than one of these night markets. They have different names, but I can't say I know what distinguishes them. If you notice, these people are also wearing these pajama bottoms. I don't know, maybe I'm missing something. Illinois. ตอนนี้ผมอยู่ข้ามถนน Hard Rock Cafe คงใกล้ที่นั่นหรือเปล่า There's more of it, but I guess I'd say not much has changed since I was here 10 years ago. As much as I think these look like pajamas, I guess the correct name is traditional Thai attire. Still have DVDs. What is in there? There's food in there. You want to take a quick look? Okay. Soon to be adorned in pajama bottoms. Looks like things are winding down here. About 8:45. Noi is so small, it's very easy to lose her. Quite a maze of commerce going on here. It's amazing in the United States, a Thai massage, $70, $80, maybe even $100. Here it's about, I think the average about 200 baht. I guess that's about $7.50, maybe $8. Quite a difference. 1000% difference. Get boy. Makdum. Nam tang mo 50 ใช่ไหม Yes, YouTube. Hello. ขอบคุณมากครับ Like a ready-made watermelon. Nam tang mo. I've lost Noi again. Oh, there she is. Watch this. We'll see. Alright. Yeah, I think they add sugar maybe. Even though it's already sweet, I think they added sugar, but it's all good. Official commemorative bag of Chiang Mai. Yeah.
Up 100.
6079 Toyota. Deal,อีกหนึ่งของสวัสดีครับ